Okay, so this is a description of the bubble sorting method used commonly in programming. What we have are three different types of candy. We've determined that we're going to sort them by size. The Starburst is the smallest, the Hershey's Kiss is the next size up, and then the biggest is the peanut butter cup. So, using a bubble sort method, we're going to go through and describe the algorithm that is required to sort these using that method. We start off and take the first value and compare it to the next one. If we're going smallest to biggest, these two are lined up well because we have a Starburst here and a Hershey's Kiss. That's smaller to bigger, so it's fine. So the comparison moves on to the next two. It looks at a Hershey's Kiss and a peanut butter cup. The alignment is right, the smaller is on the left, so it moves on to the next. Now we have a peanut butter cup and a Hershey's Kiss on the right, which is incorrect. So we switch these two. The algorithm continues on to the next two. It looks at two peanut butter cups. Two peanut butter cups are okay, and one is not bigger than the other, so it moves on. It looks at a peanut butter cup and a Starburst. The Starburst is smaller than the peanut butter cup, so it must switch those. Then it moves on to the next. There's a peanut butter cup and a Kiss. The Kiss should not be here, so it switches again. Again, it moves on. There's two of these. That's fine, so it skips and moves on to the next one. These two, the bigger one needs to be on the right, so the Starburst gets shifted down. The peanut butter cup goes to the right. Now the algorithm starts over again. Beginning at the right, or at the left, it looks at the Starburst and the Kiss, that's fine. The Kiss and the Kiss is fine. The Kiss and the cup is fine, but the cup and the Starburst need to be switched. So they're switched. Moves on. The Kiss and the cup, that's incorrect, needs to switch. Moves on. Cup and cup is fine. Moves on. Cup and Starburst, not okay. Switch. Move it down. As you can see, we're already getting the larger values on the right, and the smaller values are starting to collect on the left. Now that it's reached the end of the algorithm and has had to switch in the time, it starts over again. It checks again. So here's the first one, that's fine. Next one is fine. Starburst should not be over here, so it switches that. Moves on. These two are fine. Moves on. Those two are fine. Finds a Kiss or a Starburst here, that's not right. Needs to switch to bring it down to the low side. And now you can see we already have all three of the biggest on the right, as they should be. Starts over again. Checks the Starburst to the Kiss, that's fine. Kiss to the Starburst, not okay. Switches. Kiss and a Kiss is good. Kiss and a Kiss is good. Kiss and a Starburst needs to be switched. Starts over again. Starburst and Starburst, good. Starburst and Kiss, switch. Starburst and Kiss.
No.
Oh, sorry.
That's fine.
I'm not a computer. These are okay. It runs into a problem here. Switch that. Checks all these again. They're fine still. Haven't changed. Goes back to the beginning. Starts over again. Those are fine. Those are fine. This is where we run into an issue. Switch again. Checks the rest of the thing, but it did switch in that time, so it starts over again. What it's looking for is a time when it does not have to make any changes. When it finds that these are all okay, these are okay, these are okay, these are okay, and goes through and checks them all, says they are all okay, then it says to the rest of the program, it is sorted, it is done, and as you can see, it is sorted. Small, medium, and large.
Awesome.